In this video, we'll demonstrate how to get the maximum quality photos from iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Enhancing the camera settings on your iPhone 15 to capture the highest quality photos is a simple process that can significantly improve your photography experience. To do this, start with unlocking your iPhone 15 and navigating to the home screen. Locate the Settings app, which usually features a gear wheel icon, and tap on it to enter the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Camera option. It's typically represented by a camera icon. Tap on it to access the camera settings. Inside the camera settings, you'll find an option called Formats. Tap on this option to proceed. Within the Formats menu, you'll see various photo mode options. Choose the 24-megapixel mode instead of the 12-megapixel option to ensure your photos are captured at the highest quality. After selecting the 24-megapixel mode, you will notice an option to toggle on Resolution Control. Enable this feature by tapping the switch next to it. This action will enable a small button in the camera app called JPEG Max. Now, exit the Settings menu and go to your camera app. You can do this by pressing the Home button or swiping up from the bottom of the screen and tapping on the camera icon. With the camera app open, you'll notice the JPEG Max button. Tap on it, and your iPhone 15 will be set to capture the highest quality photos. You are now ready to capture photos at the peak of image quality. Simply frame your shot, press the shutter button, and your iPhone 15 will automatically save the image in the highest quality format. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your iPhone 15 is set up to capture the most detailed and vibrant photos possible. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.